A very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners and welcome to the European Rundown for today, Wednesday the 29th of June. Following on from the high close we had last night on Wall Street, the Nikkei in Japan also finished up around 1.5%, which has led on to a higher open for European equity markets, which have continued to climb, which has weighed on fixed income, and the euro still remains predominantly firmer around the 144 handle in the major pair as we head in toward the most keenly awaited decision of the week, that is the midterm vote to go through Greek Parliament. Just taking a look at a bit more detail on that, because that is going to be the key event and driving factor of the markets today. First of all, in terms of the timings, the actual debate session has already begun in Parliament in Athens. However, in terms of the actual votes, that should commence at midday London time, so that should be 6 AM Chicago. The actual Parliament itself is comprised of 300 seats, so it will be a case of each one of those will have to place their votes, so it could be a few hours after the actual initiation of the vote at midday until we'll get any indications of the final size and results of that. In terms of the ruling PASOK party, they have around 155 seats, so we're looking at around a 5-seat swing factor in order to get this pushed through. Some of that apprehension, as we have seen in the last day or so, having had the markets rally in somewhat cautious optimism, has come as some of those wavering MPs in the ruling party seemingly have now decided to put their country before their pride and party, and looks as though this, according to most analysts, will be successfully passed. If it is passed, then Thursday we'll also see another vote. That'll be for the implementation of the actual breakdown of the austerity measures, and then that should then open the door for Sunday, when Eurozone finance ministers should issue then the €12 billion funding in the fifth tranche of aid. We'll have another update this afternoon to let you know how that vote goes. That really is key. Again, the timings for that, the vote should begin at midday London, 6 AM Chicago, but it should be a few hours after that when we'll get the initial vote counts and the final result. That's it from me here in London for the time being. We'll have another update this afternoon, but for the time being, have a great trading day.